All right, quick screencast on how to make a circle graph if you don't know or can't remember how to do that. So we have all our data from the Google form inputted into a spreadsheet. And the first thing we're going to need to do is get our totals. So you can click here in the cell below and come up to the functions button. We're going to call it a sum. We want to select those cells that have a value in it, hit enter, and that'll give us our total. Then you can do that for every single column, but that's a little tough. So you can just click on the cell below and then drag out the blue square, and it will give us totals for each one of the different blocks. Now that you have that, you're ready to make some graphs. Let's say that you're Connor and you need to graph your data. What you're going to do is you're going to highlight your data that you need to graph, and then you're going to hit the insert chart button. We're going to select a pie graph, and we're going to need to switch rows and columns so that it's following it in a row instead of a column. And that'll give us our values. Then we need to add a label. So we're going to select these up here as our labels. And then you can see that that puts them in. And it's always nice to go ahead and move it to its own sheet so it's a little easier to view. Now, the next thing is let's take a graph, make a graph of the complete data. So you're going to do the exact same thing now, but with everyone's data. So highlight, once again, insert chart, pie graph, switch, and then add our label. Move to own sheet. Now we have everything finished.